Shalom, 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 beautiful people. This is Chevelle making a stroll in my garden this morning. I know it's very early in the morning, but it looks like it's going to rain, so I decided to come and check out everything before the rain starts. And I seen these two carrots here sticking up in these two holes here. It was like all the way up to here, so I decided to pull them this morning. And I have like random carrots and all over my yard. So I just passed by these two and I saw them sticking up. They're pretty nice sized carrots, if I should say so myself. So I think I know what I'm going to eat today. A nice salad with some carrots chopped in it. Yep, so this is my thing every morning, just to come out and see what I can try to pick and eat on a daily here. I have some beets here that's still kind of small, but the carrots here are growing. I have carrots everywhere around here because I just like carrots. I'm going to go over here and check this carrot bed. I haven't filled this big bed up yet because I'm trying to wait till spring. I'm going to do it probably next week so I can start planning out the first couple of weeks in March. So yeah, but it's a doozy and I have the dirt for it. So here are some more carrots in this container, and I don't see anything sticking up here. Yeah, these are not ready, but I knew the other ones, they were like popped up, and I was like, well, I guess I'll be having carrots today. And I might go ahead and pull this other broccoli here. I'm not sure yet, but before the day over with, I probably will. And I have some dwarf sunflower seeds here in this green stalk, and I sowed these in the house, these little ones, these dwarf ones. Then I just throwed some more seeds out here a couple of days ago. This is just going to be for only the top tier, and I see they have sprouted. And I also put some in this green stalk as well. See the little sprouties? So I'm going to have the top tier of these green stalks. They're going to be sunflowers. When they get a little larger, I am going to probably repot them and put them in another spot. And these are my cabbages. I just have them covered up because it's been so warm. I didn't want the little bugs to get them, but they're forming ahead now. But yeah, these are my dwarf sunflowers. I sowed these on February 3rd, and I didn't want any real big sunflowers in the green stalk because you have to like put some kind of guard on them or something like this you would have to put on it in order for them to stand up. So yeah, I didn't feel like doing it, so I just put them there, and I'm going to separate them when I can. I might as well go ahead and pull. I seen another Daikon radish was big enough for me to pull. I see this one in here. I'm going to pull this and see what it's looking like. Yeah, it looks kind of like weird. But I'm going to chop the green part off up here. I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to also add this to my salad. And this is a Daikon radish. And I have some more here, but I don't know if they're big enough yet. They're probably not. So yeah, this will do. Oh, here's another one here. Wow, this one looks rather big. Let me see how big this one is. It's about the same as the other one. See? Yeah. So I'm going to show you my harvest this morning for my nice salad today. I have 2 Daikon radishes and 2 carrots. So Hey, I'm gonna eat pretty good today. So I thank you guys for joining me today for this video. I wasn't out here to make a video today, but you never know. And I checked on the garden this morning. I'm gonna get in the house. It looks like it is gonna rain here pretty soon. So I am going to get in the house, take my harvest, and make me a salad. I wish you guys a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Shalom, happy garden, and be safe.